everybody, and welcome to Wide Family Farm. Today I am making, for the first time ever, zucchini stuffed spaghetti. So let me show you how I did that.
So what I went ahead and did is I cut the top off the zucchini right here, and I went ahead and carved out the center. These are called the round Denise, and these are perfect for stuffing, and that's exactly why I did this. I took out all the insides, and as you can see, the insides are just loaded with seeds, so I believe I'm going to save these for next year.
Okay, so the whole point of making the stuffed zucchini like I'm making is the fact that I am doing low carb, and this is like the best alternative for noodles. You can make your own zucchini noodles, but I decided to do a stuffed one. I don't really like zucchini that much, so I figured if I can disguise it in any way I can, make it into pizza or possibly make it into some kind of spaghetti, then I will probably eat it. So I'm going to go ahead and let the rest of the meat fry up. I'm frying it ahead of time. I don't want to put raw meat in my zucchini ball. I know some recipes call for that and you just put it in there, but I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to fry up the meat first, stuff my zucchini full of the meat, and then add cheese. And I'll show you how I do my sauce.
So for most of you out there that are doing low carb, I got this Hunt's tomato sauce, and this works as pizza sauce. And I got this idea because my mom used to use this particularly to actually make pizza on the like the way she used to make pizza, like the bread roll mix or whatever. So she would use this stuff, and then I was like, I got into thinking, and I was reading the back, and the back says there's only 4 carbs in the entire can. So I thought that was a really good alternative to sauce. Most of the sauces out there have tons of sugar in them, guys, tons, including ketchup and stuff like that, which you can't have when you're doing low carb. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this as a spaghetti sauce alternative. Okay, so I went ahead and put my sauce in there. I mixed it up a little bit. I'm going to pour some more sauce over the top a little bit. And I'm gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, make sure that you have either Pam or something sprayed or olive oil on the pan, or you can do it on tin foil, so when you add the cheese, it doesn't all stick to the tray. The whole point of this is to stuff it, so I stuffed it as full as I could stuff it.
Okay, so let's check on it just to see how things are going in the oven. It's been 5 or 6 minutes.
And that's how things are going in the oven. We'll see how this is gonna work. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. I went ahead and added the cheese on the top, and then I'm gonna stick it in for another 20 or 15 actually, just to make sure the cheese is melted and everything else is cooked thoroughly.
Okay, so honestly, this is my first time having zucchini like this. I'm not a zucchini fan in any way. I'm hoping that the spaghetti and everything disguises it so I can eat those kind of options without adding a ton of sugar. Now, I do want to let you know I've been using the Hunt's tomato sauce, but I prefer to use my own, and I have a ton of frozen tomatoes and stuff like that, but I ran out of canned sauce. So I will be making more probably in the near future here. And when our tomatoes come in the garden, I'll be making tons more as well. I still have an entire freezer full of frozen tomatoes that I haven't got to yet. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes since I added the cheese. Let's open up the oven and take a closer look at everything just to see what's going on in there.
Now you can see why I said to add Pam to your pan or some tin foil, because the cheese and everything runs out a little bit, and it would make a giant mess. So far this looks amazing, and I can't wait to actually get it out of the oven and take a taste it and stuff. So we'll see how this is gonna go for me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this baby in half, and let's take a closer look and see how this looks on the inside. I hope this is good, guys. It's soft, so that's a good sign. I might need 2 hands, I'm not sure. There we go. Cutting it in half. And look at that, guys. This is my first successful zucchini ball. Look at that. Perfect for 2 people in a house. You know, this is perfect, guys. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do, because we are cheese people in this house, I'm gonna load this with cheese. On the inside. And voila. Looks great, right?
All right. Well, thanks for coming along with me on this food journey. Tell you the truth, guys, I am not a big zucchini or squash person. I'm trying my hardest to like these vegetables. I want to lose as much weight as I can by the end of the summer, and it's been a goal. This counts for accountability, guys. Got to hold yourself accountable, got to eat more vegetables and higher proteins. So this looks good to me, so this is what we're having for lunch today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you all in the next video or next live. Bye.